Pointers on working safely with your fume hood. Ensure that the exhaust is working before commencing work. Use appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves, goggles and laboratory gown. Keep your face outside the plane of the hood. Never lean your head down towards the opening of the fume hood. Work as far into the hood as possible and with slow deliberate movements. Do not use the fume hood as a storage area. Do not use the fume hood sink for waste disposal. Do not use perchloric acid in a conventional fume hood. Explosive perchlorate salts could accumulate in the exhaust system.